Hello, Facebook people, says Tribe. How are you? How is everyone doing? We had a little bit of technical glitch, but we are back now. Hopefully, you can hear me clearly. And uh, so here we have AKM right beside me. You can see AKM. And we also have Rafik from the development team. So basically, he knows all the deep things inside how the technology is being used inside. So meanwhile, I just want to say hi to the stream. What I'm going to do is do a brief introduction, very small, because I want AKM to cover the most bigger part of it, and then the storytelling, how the product will help people, or what is their future plan. Because I know I'm excited about it because I never used such a things on my website. So I'm going to implement this, and this is why I'm excited to learn from Rafik as well. That what are the core features and what is in the pipeline that we are not aware of. So if you guys are online, feel free to say hello. I always love to see if people say hello. Let me see if anyone online. So meanwhile, um, I'm going to pass the mic to AKM. AKM, please go ahead,
Sure.
introduce yourself and the company and everything else, how it came about.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Myself, AKM. I'm from wpWax team as a business development analyst. And today I'm here to represent one of our new product line, which is HelpGent. In our company, we take pride in developing innovative products that can create value to our customer business and the WordPress community. HelpGent is no exception. It is a synchronous communication system that can enhance your support system and also your business. So today I will give you a presentation about the product and all its core features and other features, and then I will show you a demonstration, live demonstration of our product, and then we'll take the Q&A session. And with me today I have Rafiq, and he is from the development team, so he will answer especially the technical part. So that's all from me. So now I want to pass the mic to Rafiq to introduce himself.
Hey guys, so this is Rafi from the core development team. So me and my team is working with the HelpGen, and I'm really excited to share the behind and the outside all the features we are working, and we have already planned for the bigger roadmap. So I'm going to share with you with my Thank you.
So you get the introduction from these two guys from. So their parent company is wpWax, and they have other product as well. And I also like to ask how long they have been in the business. So if I'm not mistaken, they have been around for a very long time. So AKM, you want to tell the story of the company and a little bit insight
I
that
think
what excites you guys? Yeah.
Yeah, I think the company is more than from 6 years, right? 6 years, more than 6 years we are in this tech business. And our best product that already know everybody, that is the Directorist plugin. And this is not our second product. This is our one of the latest product actually. So I think this HelpGen is something new in WordPress community, especially for the communication system. So today we'll show all the features, like how it can help, especially for B2B business and also for the B2C businesses. If you permit us, then we can start the presentation, and then we can go for the demo.
Yes. Yeah, of course. You guys can go ahead and share the screen. So what I will do,
Sure.
I will monitor all the comments and try to engage. And
Sure.
I will keep your camera and fixed camera online so they can focus on us.
Okay. Okay, so I will start with this presentation, as I said, and then we'll go for the demonstration. So the first question should be like, why HelpGen? So because it gives you all-in-one communication toolkit in one plugin, it helps to increase your conversion rate and generate more leads. Plus, it builds audience trust by including personalized communication methods. And most importantly, it reduces your support time and cost, uh, which we know that how much important for any kind of businesses. Uh, then the unique selling proposition. So as you can see, our USP currently has 4 different features and 2 integration. And if everything goes as planned, we will add more values for our user. I will discuss all of these points right away. So now what about our competitors? As our product is in the development phase, so right now it will be quite unfair to compare it with any established product. But I can assure you, still our product can beat some of the best product in the market. So here you can see a list of our targeted user from B2B to B2C. Like in B2B, you can see it could be like tech company, marketing agencies, software companies, e-commerce businesses, customer service and support, consulting firms. And for the B2C, it could be online educators and tutors, personal coaches and mentors, freelancer, solo entrepreneur, small business owner, non-profit organization, social media influencer, and content creator. Okay, now let's talk about the uh, core features. Okay, the first one is the video messaging feature. To use this feature, you don't need to be online at the same time, as we are using a synchronous communication system. It means you can send your message at any time and the receiver will reply to you at their own convenience, either in the same method or any other methods. So what we can do with this feature, you can convey emotion and expression, a demonstration of products, solving complex problems, sending visual instruction or tutorials, customized greetings and thank you notes, and so many things. Then a screen recording feature, which is also a synchronous communication tool. With this feature, user can send their screen recording to show the exact problem they are facing, which might save a lot of time for both the customer and support agent, just to figure out what is the main issue. And after receiving this recording, the support agent can also send them back the solution either in the pre-recorded videos or same as the screen recording. And what could be the use cases like tutorials and demos of the product, help with technical issues and solving problems, sales briefing and proposals, a guide to solving any problem by sending personalized tutorials. Then voice messaging feature. So what could be the use cases for this asynchronous voice messaging feature? It's like a better way to show the tone and emotions, responding quickly and personally to customer queries and issues, provide additional detailed instruction and explanation, more engaging way to collect customer feedback and ideas. And the last but not the least, asynchronous text messaging feature. So this feature helps to communicate with several clients simultaneously. Conversation can be easily tracked and archived, notifying customers of order updates or shipping information, allows customer the freedom to respond on their own time. So appointment or reservation confirmation and many more. Now let's talk about some other feature of this product. You can collect leads information like name, email, phone number. Whenever anyone send you message through HelpGent, we'll show that in our demonstration. And then you can also filter all your conversation by different tags and also search any specific conversation by its name, email, or file name. You can also customize your form like how you want to show your chat interface in your website. And I will show that also in our demo session. You can set your own personalized message to welcome them or thank them after submitting their query. This is how it looks like as the backend admin portal. And here is the front end audience portal for the customer or the users. You can also connect your Google Drive with HelpGen. So you can upload all your media file here with one click. Plus, you can also use this drive to store all your HelpGen data. Moreover, you can also use this plugin with directories because we already made this extension available for directories plugin. So now let's talk about some of the in-progress features of HelpGen that we will see in our next updates. You will be able to use HelpGen to get feedback, create job application, service quotation, especially for service businesses, and create multiple steps with questions to save time and increase the speed of your service. And finally, add videos to each step to engage user better. Now here is the roadmap of HelpGen. These are features that you will see in our future updates, like unsend or trash any messages, support multiple agents, file upload options, media optimization, real-time notification, support agents, role management, reports and analysis, and support for embedded YouTube videos. So today we come here to give this community the best deal of our product, which is early but limited lifetime offer, which is up to 70% off from our regular price. So let's see the price after this cut. Okay, for the community, we'll have one free version, so they can use our product with limited feature before make their purchase decision. In Grow package, you will receive all premium features with one website use. And in the business package, you can use up to 10 different websites. And in the ultimate package, you will receive unlimited websites. So you can choose based on your needs. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. Let's start a small demonstration of our product. By that time, if you guys have any question regarding HelpGen, please feel free to post in the comment section and my team will answer it. Thank you.
Okay, so we had the kind of brief introduction to the product. So I would request Rafiq to go through some of the hands-on and show how it looks like right in front of you. Then you get the feel of it in real life. So this is the important part because if everyone actually wants to see that how it works out in real life. So a real example demo will give them the comfort that they are looking for.
Right.
And
right.
Yeah. So Rafiq, if you want to share your screen, do let me know. Akim, you probably
Actually,
need to unshare.
I will.
Yeah.
No, I will share the demonstration.
Okay. So can I put that on screen?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So here we are.
Okay. So, yeah. So this is our demo website. So when you get into the backend of your website, you will see the plugin in here, HelpGen, and everything start with the form section. So in here in our website, we have two forms. One is for pre-sale, one is for support. You can rename it from here. I mean, it's up to you, like how you want to do it. So I will show you why we did this two form. So if you go to the website in here, you see this is the pre-sale option. So this is one of thing. And another one is for the support system in the login setup. I mean, if they go in the login section, then they will see the difference here. So that's why we made two forms in here. So first you have to edit the form section, like for pre-sale, like go for the edit session. Then here you can select like what kind of information you want to collect. Like here I want to collect the name, email, and the phone number. You can take off. I mean, if you don't want to collect the phone number, it's up to you. Then you can also select like which pages you want to show that chat head. Like here, you have to first activate it. Then you can select the pages, like which page will show that options, like for example, home page and all messages. It's up to you. Okay, so then we'll go for the form setting. Here we have two themes right now. You can change it from here. It's up to you. And here you can upload your own images, your own videos, or anything, or any kind of avatar if you want to use it, or your logo, anything. You are free to do it. Then here you can select the greeting message. If you change it, you can see. I mean, it will show you the live preview actually. See? Then the description, you can also, I mean, deactivate it if you don't want to. But if you want, then you can also change it from here. Okay. Then the chat title, you can change it to. It's up to you. Then here you can choose like which method you want to give access to your user, like video, voice. In here, I just open all of the features, but if you want, you can deactivate anything. Like for example, if I want to deactivate the screen recording, I can do it, or the video option, I can do it, anything. Then the footer message, you can also deactivate it. You can activate it and change the writing. And the credit text, if you want to, like here you can see the text powered by wpWax, or you can deactivate it too. And here goes the other customization. Those are more customization, deep customization, like how you want to see the font, the color, the size, and all those things. So when you are done with this section, then you will go to the next page, which is the thank you page. So here you can also change everything. Like you can change the message here. Then the description, you can activate it or deactivate it. It's up to you. Then you can add some button. Like here I add the our product button, the HelpGent button, and I give the URL. So if anyone click it here, it will just redirect him to our main website. Then you can do other customization like the background color, font size, and everything. Then you just save it, and everything is done in here. Now let's go to the all messages. So here you will see the all conversation, all messages that you get. Like I have a new message here, you see. So whenever any new messages come, it will show a red dot in here. So it's new. So here's the messages. And those are our previous conversation. Those are the demo conversation actually. So you can see. So they can send their own videos, text, voice, screen recording, and you can also answer them back by any of this method. And here's the tag option. I mean, you can tag it if you see that we already tagged, like it's for pre-sale, it's for support, it's a new one. Here I can tag it, add tag, and for example, it's for pre-sale, and it's done. And you can also create the tags here. You can also clear all your tags, and you can refresh it from here anytime, and you can see the archive message. So here's the message option. Then whatever the contacts. So see, we already got 3 leads, like their name, their email address, and the phone number. And the settings. This is the overall settings of this plugin. So in here we give permission to guest to send the messages. That's why they can send us the message without any registration. But if you deactivate it, then they have to register first in your website, then they can send you the message. So it's up to you, and it's based on your business, like how you want to interact with your user. So here you can choose where you want to show your chat head positions. Oh, right now we have 3 options in here, and the messages option where they can see the messages. And here you can see, like you can change the length of the video recording, voice recording. Like here I can change it like 3 to anything. I mean, it's up to your server and how long you want to receive the recording. And the video resolution, you can change it up to 8K. So it's up to you. I mean, Then the maximum upload size for now, we just put like 50 megabyte, and attachment removal, we just put it for 20 days, but you can change it. You can change it to 7 days. You can change it to 1 month, 2 months. It's up to you. So it's very flexible to use. Then we can go to the email session. Here you can enable email notification, how you want to receive the email for every conversation, or just one message for one conversation, or for every message. Then here you can see from which name you want to send the email, and from which email you can send it here. I mean, set it down. Then here is the email template. You can deactivate the email header. You can change the color. So, and here you can customize everything. I mean, we already gave a default template, but you can change it according to your need. So here is the email body, and this is for the email body for the guest. I mean, if anyone is not registered, then they will get this kind of email. And for new messages, this is the one, and you can also deactivate the footer option too. And here is the integration part. So right now you can see we already integrated the Google Drive, so it's showing how much space we already used. So you can also deactivate it from here, and in future we will add more integration, so it's coming within our next updates. Then the license part, here is the license key, and you can activate it. So I think that's all about the HelpGent. It's very simple and easy and very convenient, I mean, plugin, so anyone can use it. So that's all, and here is the live demo. Okay, so whenever anyone land in the page, they will see this kind of thing. Then he can choose like how he want to send, like he can record the voice, then he can send the text, he can I mean, record the screen, and it will also record their voices too. And then he can send the videos. In video section, they will have two options. One, they can record it instantly, or they can upload any previous video, like they want to show something. So that is also possible. And you can see here it's showing that you can upload up to 50 megabyte because you already make that limit in our backend. So that's all from me. So I think it's done, the demonstration. So if you guys have any more questions regarding this HelpGent.
I think we have collected a few questions since due to our technical problem, so we cannot show the because I am connecting through RTMP stream. So I cannot show the comments on screen, but what I'm going to do, I'm monitoring all of them. So I just going to tell it to you guys from them. So first, I think the first question was from Alberto. Alberto is at work, so he cannot join the stream right now because at his time, it's basically morning, his work day. So it's fine.
Right.
But he put a lot of interest that whether you guys can integrate pCloud, because a lot of us, including myself, I have a 12 terabyte pCloud drive, and I use it on all my systems. I have 3 computers, and all the phones and tablets all are using pCloud. So he made a valid question. So whether it is in the pipeline, like going forward, whether you guys can put it in the roadmap. So that is one.
I think
yeah, go ahead.
So
I think Rafiq can answer that question.
Right now we are just offering the Google Drive, so you can store your attachment to your Google Drive to save your disk space. So we have already we have got the multiple requests over the pCloud, and it is here just nice to say that it's already in our roadmap. So we are going to work on it. All right. So it will live shortly within version 2.
Okay. So we cheer that you guys are going to do it.
Yes.
Okay. So Tawhid is from Dhaka as well. So he was saying that a lot of Bangladeshi on the screen today. Yes, you are right. Thank you for the recognition. And he's a great guy. I think you guys should catch up when you have chances. He does
Sure.
a lot of, he plays with a lot of these tools, also WordPress itself. So very knowledgeable and helps us out in many different places, many live shows. And his questions are always very practical ones. And of course, Alberto, before I make the question, Alberto actually made the question. So I cannot say that I have asked this. So this is Alberto, okay?
Okay.
So he's saying,
Okay.
how is it going to affect the performance of the site? So a lot of people in the stream, they want to ask this question, but they are not sure whether they are going to offend you guys or whatever. But as me, myself, I came from WP Optimize. So of course, my question, which is Alberto's question, basically that how is it impacting the site speed? So I think Rafiq or Kim, you can pick this up.
Yeah. So I'm going with deeper. This is actually the matter of concern about the performance, really. So in HelpGent, we try to optimize the scripts. All right. Just as per need, we are trying to load the scripts or assets. So also in the chat bubble, we are using iframe. So it's coming from as a like
External.
iframe.
Yeah.
So it doesn't only affect to your overall site performance.
Okay. And I'm going to test it as well because I've been thinking other external services. So I'm sure you have seen 3Veta. I think they're another product who has similar kind of concept, but that is a SaaS product. That's not for WordPress. So
Right.
there are 2-3 products out there which I have checked, but they really impacted on the site speed. So when I tested them, and then at the end, because of the speed dropped so much that some of us, I remember actually 2-3 of us actually let go of the product because of that. So I would say nowadays the technology moved quite a lot. So you have browser support, means you can do async, right? Async loading of JavaScript, and you can also do async for CSS in a sense, means you can lazy load the CSS if you want. So these are some of the things that you can play around because the newer browsers, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, they are all supporting this. So take advantage of that.
Right.
I'm not saying any bad things, but I'm saying that these are available. So
Right.
it is good to pick up all this tech. And
That's
the
true.
next question, I think, is also from Alberto. He asked, also, it would be nice to have an embed code that I can actually take from my WordPress site and paste it on a different landing page. Let's say it's built on something else.
All right.
So I take a piece of code and put it there, and that thumbnail actually redirect them to my WordPress site. You see what he's trying to say? So he's trying to say, bring that person from that site to my site and pop up that. When you click the small thumbnail, it goes bigger, right? So just pop that up when he reaches. So it becomes an action point, right? Kind of like call to action. So
Right.
that's an idea. That's an idea to look at.
Yes.
And
So I can add something here. So it is already available. We can provide short code per form. So if you just place the short code in a page, all right, and make embedded code and paste it in a HTML web page, and
right.
people just when click on this button, they will redirect directly to this page, and after landing in this page, he can see the HelpGent form. All right. So it is also it is available right now. But
okay. I will do the test. I will do the test for this because I haven't played with it. Forgive me for that. Right. I haven't played with it. So Manoj, you also should notice Manoj actually buy a lot of LTD, and he doesn't buy just one site or 5 sites. He buys unlimited. The reason being, the reason he wants to do that because he wants to employ these for business. So
Right.
he is one of the correct
B2B.
audience for this, because when he says that I have tried it, it's awesome, guys. So that's a very good thumbs up.
Thank you.
So, that one we need to give some clap for the people.
Yes.
There
Yeah.
you go. There
Thank
you
you,
go.
Manoj. Thank you. That means
Yeah.
a lot.
Yes, definitely. So HM Shuja also a very regular live stream audience. So he will always be online during our live streams and many other groups as well. So he's knowledgeable, very much knowledgeable in this LTD space, and uses a lot of tools, AI tools, and everything else. So he is asking, is it possible to customize the size? So the size, by that he meant the icon, the round icon, and the pop-up. Can you resize it? Is there any configuration to set, like I want 400 pixel by 720 pixel tall, or the round thumbnail, I want it to be 32 pixel square, something like this. So whether it will be possible in the future to adjust those sizes, because for some people their taste might be different, right?
Yeah.
But
yes,
I can understand where you guys are coming from, because the size you have shown is pretty much standard. It should be in that size, but in certain cases they might want it bigger, and they might want the pop-up smaller. It happens. Not everyone is the same,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Based
So
on business, I mean, yeah. Based
So-
on their business, actually, they want
Yes.
to change the size. It's
it's
true.
correct. So that is what I'm saying. And Tawhid also asked, is it responsive? What is the largest and the smallest we can go with the bubble? So he's talking about the bubble, I think the round one. What is the largest you can go? And I think he is also kind of asking for a configuration where either we can set it
Size
like
customization.
small, medium, large, or we can set a pixel, right? So whichever it is. So, but it is responsive, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, this is response. Yeah.
Right. So it is responsive. Tawhid, you got your answer. And he also asked, does it work flawlessly with Wix or Oxygen Builder? Now, this will be a very common question. So is it working with Divi? Is it working with Elementor? And etc. etc. So I think if you guys already supporting the shortcodes, so those platform, I mean, almost all platforms supports shortcodes. That is the very basic part of it, right? I mean, WordPress, previously all the extensions were shortcode based. Means you already supported the previous generations of WordPress or from there. So can they use shortcodes right
Yes.
now? I haven't actually, I might have missed it.
Yeah. Shortcode is available. Yeah, you
Right.
can use it by Gutenberg, Elementor, Brave Builder, whatever. All right.
Yes, because all of them will support shortcode, because
Yeah.
shortcode is the very entry part of it. Then you have other Gutenberg and all those stuff. And hi Dinesh, thanks for joining. Yes, Manoj is saying that it should work with all builders, because you guys support shortcode. It should support everywhere
Right.
else. Now this is actually the same question I have. Okay, I'm going to explain a little bit more. So Jadip, thanks, bro. Jadip is also a very knowledgeable guy. So one thing we have in our subscribe group, so all the people you have seen in our stream, the number might not be exponential, but the people, I know them very well.
Okay.
I can tell
That's great.
that Jadip, he knows a lot of stuff, experiments with a lot of stuff, WordPress related stuff. Manoj for definitely, because now Manoj is related with WordPress development at least 10 years or 8 years, roughly around that. So he is very knowledgeable, deep knowledgeable in that. So I actually observe a lot of time people think that why I don't post so many things, because I am observant. So I notice what people post, how they react, and what they reply. So this is give me the knowledge that who does know about what. So thanks, Jadip.
Right.
I have the same question. So Jadip's question is, what are the integrations are coming? Before you guys answer that, let me tell my side of the story. So I can think of this utility expand into so many things in the future, right? So the first
Yes.
thing I will say that in the integration, I would like something like a webhook or Tably or Zapier, any one of them that is available in the market right now. The benefit will be when somebody send me a message, either video, voice, or text, it will record as a lead, lead stages like introduction, then which in progress, then the sale ended, right? So imagine I can use Pably, I can use a webhook and send this information nicely into my CRM, sales CRM, or whichever it is. So now this will open up the possibility to the far extent of this product. Think of it. So I think Jadip is coming from one of those angles. I don't know exactly
Right.
which one, but I can understand that, yes, integrations. So you guys can say whatever you guys planning as integrations.
All right. So thanks for the question, and we have a solid plan for the integration. So we have right now 2 integration. The one is Google Drive. So you can send attachment to your Google Drive. You can migrate. All right. And another one is directories integration, is our product. And for the directories, the concept is very nice. For example, you have a profile in a directory. All right, and directory owner offer you a HelpGent form. Then this form is created by you, and you can receive the lead directly to your dashboard. So the communication would be, you are the listing owner. For example, you are a doctor. You have listed your profile in a doctor directory, and the patients are coming and chatting with doctor directly by the HelpGent form, and the doctor can consult them. All right, directly by recording his video, and patient also can submit their files, submit their videos. All right, so this is an use case, and it is already live. All right, I can see in the demo. So this is and HelpGent integration, you can find it in directories.com. All right, so what will be the next? So our next integration in the webhook. So we'll offer webhook. So you can connect webhook with any third-party solution.
Yep.
All right. And after that, we are planning to integrate with Zapier, the popular third-party solution. And we are trying to integrate with the Tutor LMS, WooCommerce, so that you can sell a product. For example, you have 4 screens in a page. So a person land to the page, you ask, what's your name? He put the name, and you said, if the name is completed, then jump to screen B. And in screen B, you ask for what your age. So in the conditional logic, you said if the age is between 20 to 30, then jump to product C, the WooCommerce product C. What does it mean, jump to product C? It will be redirect to checkout. All right. So this will be the nice integration, and we are working on it. And you can just collect payment by using PayPal and Stripe with the chat bubble, and you can sell your video. Right, you can sell your video. For example, you are a tutor, so you want to sell your courses. So you just create a course named the PHP. So you have recorded 3 video, and say the logic say the first video should jump to next video and next video. After the next video, you will ask for the payment. If the payment successful, then it will continue to the next videos, next sprints. All right, so these are the integrations. We are trying to cover the LMS system, so you can build a course, you can offer course, and you can sell your WooCommerce product, your EDD product as well. So those are
that is interesting. That is very interesting. So I have been looking at those kind of solutions that, I have either a WooCommerce product or digital entity in WooCommerce, like digital product, that I can tag in
Right.
inside the product, inside the component, the live component, right? So the benefit is that I can actually have a discussion with a person, or I can do a pre-sales, like, okay, so I have this thing and it does this. If you want to buy now, I give you 10% discount, get it now.
Yes.
Right.
So
Right.
there will be a, I think, real life use case and very interesting one. So now we have some recommendation. I think I am going to, thanks Tawhid. So Tawhid is requesting me to do a directories live
Yeah, sure,
webinar.
sure.
Yeah. So I think we can plan for that. And I also want to request since you guys are live now, I also want to request in front of everybody. So it's a peer pressure, that we should do a follow-up live. So you cannot say no. You see the tactic or not. So because you are right in front of people. So if I ask you, are you going to do a second live with me when the version 2 comes out? So
yeah, sure, of course.
because you have no choice. All the people are looking
Yes.
at you. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, sure.
So, and yeah, Tawhid also give a great idea, actually. I think it is a great idea. Then you can combine a bundle, the directories plus HelpGent integration, show off the integration, right? That, okay, it is integrated and we have a special price for directories, including HelpGent package. So I think you guys can work on the packaging, think about it. We are not saying do it tomorrow, but you get the idea, right? So
Sure.
these are some of the things. Now Tawhid is saying he is more interested in directories. So that's a good sign.
I think Rafiq can show a little demo about the directory integration of HelpGen.
Oh, sure,
right?
sure. I'm more than happy to show.
We have that. Yeah, we have that in our demo website. I think you can show a little bit.
Yeah. You just let me know. I will show the screen.
Okay. So I'm trying to share the screen. Yeah.
Okay. So meanwhile, while you are sharing the screen, I think I should highlight a very big request. It is a big request, but it is a very fast, can be done very fast, which is Flowmatic. So we know the founder of Flowmatic, and I'm in his group. So Flowmatic is like Zapier inside WordPress. So can you imagine the entire power of Zapier using WordPress? Yes. So it's a WordPress automation tool. So I would say go ahead and have a look. If you want me to connect you guys to the founder, he can integrate it. If you have open API or closed API, he can just integrate it in 1 week. Trust me, he's so fast. So have you shared the screen, Rafiq? Oh, okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is, I'm in the front-end dashboard. This is the directory's front-end dashboard. All right. So I have installed the HelpGent and HelpGent integration tool. All right. So is this okay? My voice is okay, I think. Yeah.
Yes. Your voice is fine. Yep.
Okay. So here is the HelpGent menu. So you can access your existing form and you can create a new form. All right. So right from your front-end dashboard. All right. So if you just sign up as a listing owner and submit a listing, and you can still create a new form. For example, doctor. So I've created the form. So here is the form. Right now it shows display on selected listings, not selected page, because this is form specialized for the listing.
Correct.
If any visitor just entered to a single listing, all right, he will see the form, and he can connect directly with the listing owner, and listing owner can respond to the messages from here, and the patients or the the participant can show their messages in all messages menu. All right, so this is pretty shortcut. This is the listings, all of my listings. So for example, I have a franchise business, so this is Windy Rage is my one of the business. So I select the form Windy Rage, and this form should show only in the listings, not to others. All right, so I will continue, and I can attach to the same branding, Windy Rage. So I will attach the logo or the manager profile in the Windy Rage. So I will continue with the blank screen. So the next and the next. So once I created this, so I have created a form selected to the listing. So if I go to the settings, so I can set you can
Which
see
name?
here which name from and which email from. All right, and the subject and the body for the general messages, and the greeting text for the first conversation, and the greeting body, rest of them. All right, so those are the customization for the listing owner only, not for the admin. So admin has the different settings for the email customization. So this for the self branding or hot leveling, you can say. So if I go to the listing Windy Rage, so let me try to open it in different window. So the Windy Rage. So this is the the listing. So I can see. I should see the form. This is the unique form. The blank form.
Yep. So this is specifically for Windy Ridge.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you navigate to the home page, we can say the general form, the general pre-sale type form.
Right.
So this is the pre-sale form. And if you go to the login page, the login page has a form with support stuff. For the support stuff, I have created the form.
So so Tawhid has a correct question, because I have the same question as well. So every listed person has their own account on the site, or if so, what will be their user role?
The user role should be subscriber. If someone log in or register through directory sign up system, then you will enter as subscriber, and every subscriber can create a listing, and a listing owner can create also the HelpGent form.
Great. Yeah. So you guys keep the note about the Flowmatic. If you need any integration, I mean, if you need to communicate with them, I can just the communication can be seamless. Alberto also knows the person very well, better than me, in fact, and he's very on prompt, very fast to do integrations. So every time I see in his group that if somebody says, "Hey, why didn't you integrate with MailMint?" Then the day after tomorrow, I'm like, "Hey, what happened? A new integration, MailMint." So he's like really very fast, and I think it can give you an edge, because when you work with him, and once the integration, like Flowmatic integration is there, Flowmatic supports a lot more integration points. You can generate your own webhooks using Flowmatic, and it can go in multiple different other places. So just like Zapier, but it's much more easier because it's WordPress based. So Tawhid is asking, from your demo, the patients will be under subscriber role. What about the doctors?
All right. So patients can be pure guest. There shouldn't be any identity on the side. The conversation should be token based. We'll send an email to the patient inbox, and with the token, valid token, and the token should be valid for 30 days. and the patient can continue as a pure guest. No need to has any identity, and doctor has the capability to create listing. Right, he is the subscriber, actual subscriber.
So he is the
I
actual
think we can do
subscriber.
one thing. I mean, we can share the link of our demo site so people can just send a message
Sure.
and they will receive the email, so they will see how it works.
Yes.
So let me give you the link.
Okay. You can send me the link. I will post it in the comment.
Sure.
So while we are doing that, maybe you guys, I think you have already talked a few things about the roadmap. So what can we expect for version 2? Or I'm not saying you promise that when the version 2 is coming out, but what I'm saying that can you give us an estimate that, okay, version 2 may be coming out like August, September, or this year or next year, whichever. So
yes. So about the estimation, actually, we are currently working on the V2, and we have planned to live the beta version within 3 months. In our case, it would be 3 months, but we are primary target to live within 2 months, because we are offering a Canva, so you can logic your maps. So this should be multi-screen concept. Right now we have only one screen and one chat bubble.
Right.
So in V2, if you just open the chat bubble, then it will ask a single question. Based on your input, it will redirect to you the next screen. And next screen, you can customize the logic based on your customer input. For example, your customer put the age 30. All right, you jump to the next screen. What's your favorite car? If the audience age is 50 to 60, then you might redirect to screen 3 for a super classic car. If the audience age is 20 to 30, younger, so you can redirect to the sports car. Maybe in the 7th screen. So you can customize. You can add logic, multiple logic, not a single logic. You can add the previous screen logic.
Okay, so I have a wild idea. I'm not saying that okay, you guys have to do it or whatever, but this is just an idea. You guys can think about it. Take your time, but because this approaches the end user, the person I'm trying to sell my services to or my product to, right? So what if they have questions, right? This is one of the bigger part of the product proposition, that they can ask questions and you send a preset reply. So now think about it. You have access to OpenAI, ChatGPT, and API keys. So are you guys planning anything in the future that you can actually teach them some of the business entity that my business does these? So we are a cake provider. We make cakes. We make cakes for birthdays. We make cakes for marriage ceremonies or etc. Right? So if they come to our side, we can teach this AI thingy that, okay, so our business is about this. So if somebody asks what kind of cakes I have, we have actually these 5 cakes. So always reply with these 5 cakes, not the other one. So you see which point I'm coming from. Then it will become such a robust utility, not only for lead generation. It has video, screen recording, everything all together. On top of this, your preset replies are intelligent. Means it understands that, okay, so you're asking for white chiffon cake. So how many white chiffon cake we are servicing, right? We might just put it on a text box and it will learn from it that, okay, this brand does this. I'm not saying go and do it tomorrow, but what I'm saying that the world is moving, and
of course,
is not always just the approach you look at. ChatGPT is not the approach. It's just a means to an end. Means it allows you to do something very fast which you previously did in a very big steps. You Google first, then
Right.
go to a website and go do that, do that, do that. Now the step become in a chat box. But this is not only the only solution with AI. AI can go into subsequent so many places that we are not looking at all the time. So
Right.
yeah, Tawhid is saying that is it possible to add knowledge base? I think this will come in because it kind of, I'm not saying, but it kind of touches a little bit of the customer support, life support kind of thing. I'm not saying it's a life support tool, but what I'm saying, it might be able to cater for those kind of things as well. So this is just my idea. I put it in front of you guys. You guys can go back and
Yeah,
discuss
sure.
about it,
Because
whether it's valid or not.
yeah, we are collecting all the information and the feedback actually.
Right.
And you can also, I mean, submit your feedback or anything, any idea that you want to input. So you can go to our roadmap page, and there you will see an option to submit your ideas. So you can submit that,
Yeah,
and our
I
team
will
will think about it. If we
word
get,
it much more
yeah,
better, so a more
yeah,
structured way, because on live is very difficult to put it all together because the idea just came to me, right? And
yeah,
it's very
that's a
difficult to
great idea.
combine it to a structure and give it to you. So I will write it down.
One thing. So
Yeah.
interestingly, the knowledge base, about the knowledge base. So we are planning to focus on knowledge base. For example, you have a product, you have a use case. All right. So you have created a database. Then, if someone asks for this question, then this screen with the answer will appear. All right. So this is the steps, and in few steps, if for the end screen, you might ask, are you satisfied with the solutions? And if he just click on no, I am not satisfied with the solution, then he will ask for a live call with support agent. So we are planning.
Right.
And it is already in our roadmap. We have already designed the database. Also we have designed some screen for the live video and audio call. All right. So
Fantastic.
this
So
is
you
all.
guys hear that they have actually thought of a lot of things, and I respect you guys for this, that you have thought of a lot of things, because I have mentioned quite a lot of things, and Rafik actually said that we have actually thought of this, and I was like, respect. So great work, guys, and I am actually very, very eager to try this out on my live site. I am a bit OCD when it's about my live site, and I dropped some of my speed test results because previously I was always 100 by 100, and now I'm 79 by 100 because I'm experimenting few stuff. So what I will do, I am going to drop this in my live site and see what are the challenges I incur, or what are the things that might need some polishing or whatever it is. So I'm just going. So what I will try to do, let me tell in front of everybody, is basically I will drop my contact form. So I will remove my contact form, and my contact form page will contain this widget.
Yes.
And then I want to, because I get a lot of email almost every day. Some of them are spam, but yes, I get a lot of them. So I know Tawhid is going to pick up on that as well. So I'm going to implement this in my contact form instead of my contact form. Sorry, I will remove the contact form, put it here, and give it some time. Let's go for 1 month or 2 months and see how the response is coming along. Just quickly, it came to my mind that because most of the people who contact me via contact form, they type. So I remember in the interface, there was a switch that I can turn off certain things, right? Like I can enable only text. And yes,
it's up to you.
So
I mean, you can choose it. Yeah.
So
and
I
it's
remember
better,
correctly.
because you cannot show your emotion or the tone on the text. So it's better they can send you the voice or video or anything.
So I will do some experiments. So my plan is like this. So once I implement, I will set a reminder, like a calendar event, that 7 days later, switch it to video. 7 days later, switch it to text. Then I want to measure that which one the request came in most. So at least for me, I know that my side, maybe video works better, which I haven't tested, right?
Okay.
So this will be my,
You should. You should.
yeah, I should do this test. So I just want to tell our audience that we have a special giveaway, but we are keeping it secret because I am going to use AI to select our winner. So this will be probably second, third time somebody tried this. So I'm going to try this. So all the commenters, whatever they commented, I will pick it up and ask the AI, which is the best comment, pick the best comments. And that is how I'm going to choose the best LTD gift, which is the 10 site, right? So AKM is giving a special one, 10 site LTD, and the rest of the giveaways will be 1 site LTD. But nevertheless, remember, this is still LTD, even for 1 site, because for me, if I get 1 site, my live site is already done because I'm not the people who is looking for unlimited and go and implement in here and there. Not that I mainly look content. I mainly look plugins for my own use. Sometimes I help out friends and stuff. Oh, Alberto, you are killing me here. How is the performance on the site with Directorist and HelpGent working together? Okay, I will let Rafik take this one.
The Directorist, is a big elephant, really.
Yes.
So it has lots of functionality. It has payment. It has front-end submission. It has archive and powerful search and filter. It has 3 different gateways, online gateways. So it has lots of things. So considering this, it has resources. So it might has a cost, server cost. So,
Yes.
but it is efficient. It is efficient, definitely, and it is powered 10K live website, and they are generating money. They are monetizing their site using our solution. So, and it is mobile friendly, and Directories has a native app for Android and iOS device, built by Flutter. So and it is not so much costly in terms of speed, I think. Thank you.
Actually, when you guys are mentioning apps, I thought of it earlier, but since I'm focusing on the live, I actually forgot to tell you guys this. So imagine, right, the messages that is coming in, I actually have to access WordPress to look at my messages, or maybe they are coming to my email. I'm looking over there. But have you guys given any thoughts, like tools like Mattermost, tools like Slack, whether they can receive the message there or not? Because these are internal communication tools. Mattermost is free, open source, and Slack is freemium, but they both have API kind of thing. Then don't forget about Discord. So these tools have open API, and a lot of people use that to actually have real-time notification, because sometimes what Gmail does, if it is from you to me, the email, it will ping the notification. But if it is an automated message like contact form or certain things, it will not make the noise. So sometimes what happens that I actually missed out, unless I go and sit in the computer, then I will know that, okay, I have this many emails. But for Discord, Slack, Mattermost, they will ping just like that. So something to think about. I'm not saying go and do it. I don't want to put too much pressure on you guys as well.
This is already in our planning. We are trying to
look at this guy. So whatever I'm saying, he got it planned. So I am speechless over here.
Yes, we have master plan. Actually, we have master plan.
Right.
We are trying to cover
This is the confidence. This is the confidence we need. You got the master plan.
Yeah.
There's the level of confidence we need.
Yeah, thank you.
So let me put some drum roll for this. Again, master plan. So yeah, I mean, I know our stream kind of at the beginning we had some issues, and this is why I cannot show the comments on screen, because I went through a different direction to make it happen using the same streamline. So apologies for that, but during live stream these are normal things, and I've noticed a lot of people get into this, but I still try to keep it fun and engaging as much as possible. And don't mind my comments, because sometimes I just make jokes and all those things. So it's all for the good. But we have crossed a bit of time. Sorry about that. It's 1 hour 15 minutes. And thank you, Rafiq. You've been a excellent, joyful person that almost everything that I have said, you have already master planned, and respect for that.
Yes.
Yes.
Because you have already think what on your mind, on your mind, really, because we are trying to cover the maximum audience.
No, see, this is very important. This is very important. A lot of people, a lot of companies doesn't think about this. Pre-thinking means you didn't let me think. You have already think it for me.
Yeah.
This is the best that a company can give, because then I am relaxed. I am comfortable. Right. Always remember, yes, Android have a lot of features, a lot of things, but Apple give you the comfort.
Right.
So they make you so comfortable that you cannot go out from them. It's so difficult. It's so difficult. So it's comfort factor. You guys just remember this part. You make a customer comfortable, they cannot go anywhere. They are forever.
Actually, our team put a lot of effort on this research, and when you think about any new feature, we think about how our customer will, react on that. What they actually need. We don't think from our side. We actually think from their side. What kind of problem they are facing, and how can we solve it? So that's why everything is in our master plan, we can say.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. This is what we like to see. We like to hear. This gives us a feeling, a comfort factor that I was talking about, that you guys already pre-think of all these things. And this gives us such a level of confidence in you guys. So I want to show that actually I'm very serious about how, where is it? Oh, okay. So I just going to share one of my tab. So I think, see or not. Okay, so you guys can see I am actually collecting all the comments, right?
Okay.
So I have all the comments here, and it is saved. So I will actually do the thing that I have said I'm going to do. So all of you guys' comments are included, and thank you for joining. Whoever is here, thanks guys, Tawhid and Alberto, Dinesh, and who else is here? Wait, Manoj. Yeah. So that's all for now. So Tawhid says that extra 15 minutes is not actually the exited time, is extra 15 minutes were for directory list, which is a good one.
That's true.
Yeah, good one. No, we actually talked about quite a lot about directory list as well, and now it is inside my mind as well. Shuja, thank you. Thanks, man. Thanks for joining, and I appreciate it a lot. So I wouldn't want to make everyone boring anymore. So thank you, AKM, Rafiq. You guys has been amazing through the live, and definitely we want to do a live once you planning to release version 2. And this is my offer from my side, and hopefully we will be able to do it during the weekend, so Alberto can join in. And also we have more viewership during the weekend, because most of the members are professionals who are working, so most probably they cannot attend on Wednesdays or Thursdays. They can do it on awesome.
Actually, it's our pleasure actually to serve this community for very long time, and right now we are really excited to see how positively this community accept our new products. So please be with us
I
and
would
guide
request
us.
one more thing. I would please come in, share updates. People like to see things are moving.
Right.
So when you are releasing a bigger update, let's say the version bump is like 1.4 to 1.5, please post an update. I'm not talking
Sure,
about version
of course.
1.4.5. When it's a major version
Yeah.
bump, please go ahead and
Yeah, we have some planning on that. Sure, we'll do that. It's on our master plan, you know.
yes, master plan. Yes, please do that, because regular updates also give
Yeah.
another level of confidence to the team that these guys are rolling.
Yeah.
Not everything is silent or something, and it happens because I know when you are busy developing things, then you might not have time to go and post on Facebook, go and post on other places, right? But this is why you work in a team. So the development team can focus on development. The marketing and the awareness team, they can go out and let people know, hey, we have promised this and we have added this. Go and check it out. That's the confidence
That's true.
I would recommend now.
Thank you.
And of course, thank you, Alberto. You've always been cool about all these things. Yeah. Yep. So we can call it a night. I hope you guys will have a good night. I think, knowing you guys, you haven't ate your dinner yet. Have you? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Yeah. See, I knew it.
True.
I knew it. Yep. All right. Go ahead and have a good dinner. And I really hope we can see you guys soon in version 2.
Yes. Sure.
And
yes.
Yep. With that, I will say goodbye for now. Anything, please reach out to wpWax. The link is in the description. And sorry about the technical issue at the very beginning. It happens all the time. So luckily, I was able to connect back to the same stream using RTMP. That was really, really helpful. Otherwise, people will be upset because they couldn't see the event video. So that's all for now. I will see you next time. Ciao.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.